Good day everyone. In this video we are going to fix this blue screen error, which is really a common error, a very common problem on Windows 10 and Windows 11 computer. So we need to know why this blue screen error comes, because there can be thousands of reasons that you get this blue screen, the BSOD error on your PC. So it can be a software problem, it can be a hardware issue, it can be an external hard drive which you have connected with your computer. So there can be many reasons, and we need to identify that why we get this error. So basically, blue screen error is a kind of an alert which Microsoft gives that yes, there is a problem in the computer with the software conflict or a hardware conflict or any damage file or something is not good in the computer, and it just wants the attention to fix this problem. Now, when we restart the computer, in most of the time, Microsoft itself fixes the blue screen error for you, but sometimes it does not. For each blue screen error, we get the error number along with that. You can take that number and you can search it online that why exactly it comes. If it's a hardware related problem, then it should be checked by the hardware specialist. And if there is a software corruption or any kind of damage in the Windows file, that can be repaired. To fix this blue screen problem, we will do a very basic and very simple steps, and for most of us this will fix the problem because these are very simple yet very powerful steps. So please make sure you watch the whole video, and guys, if you're new to the channel, please hit the like and subscribe so that you can watch more videos like this in the future. So if you get this error, the blue screen error, the very first thing which you can do, I would always recommend whatever the external devices you have connected with your laptop or a desktop, like except your mouse and keyboard. If anything is connected, remove that and restart the PC and see if that works for you. Secondly, you can simply restart the computer, and the moment computer starts thinking, you just need to keep tapping on F8 key or F9 or F11. It depends on the manufacturer. So we need to go to the safe mode with networking, or just simply safe mode. So it's a kind of a Microsoft diagnostic mode, which we call it safe mode. And for most of us, this will fix the problem. So you just need to be in the safe mode, log into that. Once the safe mode is turned on, once you see the desktop, just restart the computer and this will fix your problem. The third step which you can do a system restore. So system restore is a very effective tool through which you can restore your computer to the earlier point of time where your system was working absolutely fine. So for that, you can simply search in the search bar restore, and in the recovery you will find the open system restore. In the recovery option, you see the open system restore, and you can check if you have any system restore point. I can see I have on 14th of Feb and on 16th of Feb I have the restore points. If I check mark this show more, I see for the month of Feb, on 12th of Feb I have the restore point. So I can select those points and I can click on next and see if this works for you. You can also repair your computer. So for that, you can simply search in the search bar CMD and run as an administrator, and then it will ask you to say yes. And once you do that, a window will appear like this. And here you need to type SFC space / scan now. Now, once you have typed it, you just need to hit enter, and the system will start looking for any damage or any kind of repair is needed. It will begin the system scan and it will start fixing your computer. That can be done. So once this is done, you can restart the computer. After doing all these steps, if still issues are there, then I would recommend to update the Windows. And for that, you just need to search update, and please make sure you have all the latest updates of Windows. If you still have issues in your computer, then most probably the whole operating system has some corruption. The best way to fix that problem is to reinstall the Windows. So I would recommend to take the backup of your important files and applications. You can take the backup on external hard drive or flash drive and reinstall a fresh Windows on your computer. You can also create a USB recovery from a different computer and use that recovery drive to repair and reinstall the new version of Windows or Windows 10, a fresh copy on a computer. So that's the last solution which you can do, and you can let me know in the comment section. I hope you have enjoyed this very short video, and I'll see you in the next tutorial. Have a wonderful day.